Hello friends, we are going to study Maths Part 1 Chapter 3 Polynomials. Before we going to the definition of polynomial, let's first recall some parts included in polynomials. What is term? A term contains coefficient, variable and power of the variable. Example: 7x raised to 2 square root of 3xy minus 1 upon 2m 5 6 mnp are few examples of term. Here 7x square, if we take 7x square, 7 is a coefficient, x is a variable and 2 is a power of variable. In example of term, only 5 is given. Here only 5 is written such a way that 5 into x raised to 0, where 5 is a coefficient, x is a variable and 0 is a power of the variable. Algebraic expression. In the terms, if the above terms or the terms are arranged by adding or subtracting, then it is called algebraic expression. Example: p cube minus 1 upon p square plus p. Here three terms are given. pq is first term, minus 1 upon 2 p square is second term and only p is third term. And these terms are added by subtraction and addition. So it is known as algebraic expression. In second example, m square plus 2n, there are two terms. And the last example, only 6 is given. Now let us move to the definition of polynomial. But if we observe here, in all algebraic expression, power of the variable is positive integer, that is whole number. Now let us move to definition of polynomial. Here the word polynomial is written in two colors, poly and nominal. Poly means many and nominal means term. So polynomial means many term. In an algebraic expression, if the power of variable are whole number, then that algebraic expression is known as polynomial. Example: 1 by 2 y square, comma minus 9, comma 3xyz, comma x cube minus 2xy plus 6 are few examples of polynomial. In all above example, the power of variable is whole number, that is positive integer. Similarly, minus 9 is also called polynomial because minus 9 can be written as 9 into 1, which is equal to 9 into x raised to 0. The power of variable is 0, then the answer is 1. Therefore, minus 9 is also polynomial. And that minus 9 is called constant polynomial. Any number, if any number is given, then single number is given, then it is known as a constant polynomial. There are different types of polynomial. First type is based on the number of terms in polynomial. Types of polynomial based on number of terms. There are three types according to number of terms in polynomial. First is monomial, second is binomial, and third one is trinomial. In monomial, only one term is there. In binomial, two terms are there, and in trinomial, three terms are included in polynomial. Example of monomial is 2x. Another example 5mn. Binomial example 3x square plus 2, and second example 3mn plus 5n. Trinomial example 5x square plus 2x plus 3, and second example 9xy plus 3x plus 2y. Degree of polynomial. Degree means the maximum power of variable in given polynomial is called degree of polynomial. The degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Example, the degree of 36 is 0 because 36 can be written as 36 into 1, which is equal to 36 into x raised to 0. Therefore, the degree of 36 is 0. Means the degree of polynomial 36 is 0. Polynomial in one variable. The highest power of the variable is called degree of polynomial. Example, x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 minus 2x plus 7. In this polynomial, the variable is x. Only one variable is used, and the maximum power of that variable is 5. Therefore, the highest power of the variable is 5. Therefore, the degree of polynomial is 5. If the polynomial is more than one variable, the highest sum of the power of the variable in each term of polynomial is the degree of polynomial. Means if there are number of variable used in polynomial, then we add the degree of the polynomial, and the highest addition is known as degree of polynomial. Example, 5x square y square z plus x cube y square z plus 12xyz. In this polynomial, for the first term 5x square y square z, here the sum of degree 2 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 5. In second term x cube y square z, therefore 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6. And third polynomial 12xyz, here 1 plus 1 plus 1, degree of x is 1, y is 1, z is 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So the maximum degree is 6, standard form of polynomial. If the term of polynomial are written in descending power of variable, then such form is called standard form of polynomial. Example, p of x polynomial in x is x cube plus 3 plus 5x. Here the maximum degree is 3. After that 5x is written, and at last only 3 means constant is written. So the standard form is x raised to cube plus 5x plus 3. Here we write this polynomial in descending power of variable. Second example, p of y polynomial in y minus 7y plus y raised to 5 plus 3y cube minus 1 upon 2 minus 2y raised to 4 minus y square. Here the maximum power of y is 5. So we take the first term y raised to 5. After y raised to 5, y raised to 4 is a second term. After y raised to 4, y raised to 3 is a third term. Y raised to 2 is fourth term. Single y is fifth term. And after that only constant is written. So the standard form is y raised to 5 minus 2y raised to 4 plus 3y cube minus y square minus 7y minus 1 upon 2. Types of polynomial based on degree. If the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is known as linear polynomial. The standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a and b are coefficient and a is not equal to 0. Example, 3x plus 5 is 3x plus 5. If the degree of polynomial is 2, then it is known as a quadratic polynomial. Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. If a is 0, then only bx plus c is remain and it will become linear polynomial. Example, 5y raised to square plus 2y plus 3. If the degree of polynomial is 3, then it is known as cubic polynomial. Example, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then it is become quadratic polynomial. Example of this is 2z cube plus 5z square plus 8z plus 9. Index form. If the polynomial is written in descending order of power of variable by adding the missing term with the coefficient 0, then such a form is called index form of polynomial. Example, py is equal to 6y raised to 5 minus 8y raised to cube plus y square minus 8. If we observe this polynomial, the power of y raised to 5 is given, but y raised to 4 is not given, y raised to 3 is given, only y is not given, and the constant is given here. So write that terms by taking 0 as a coefficient. Therefore, the index form of a polynomial is 6y raised to 5, y raised to 4 term is not given, so we take coefficient 0 y raised to 4 minus 8y cube is given, so write as it is, plus y square is given, so write as it is. After y square, y term is there but it is not given, so write 0 coefficient, so plus 0y, and the last term minus 8 is given. Now the descending order of power of y is completed here, so it is known as index form. Coefficient form of polynomial. When the polynomial is written in index form, then if only coefficients are written sequentially, then it is called coefficient form of polynomial. Example, polynomial in y, p of y equal to 6y raised to 5 minus 3y cube plus y square minus 8. Now, to write the coefficient form, first write the index form, means write the missing terms here. Write the polynomial in descending power of variable. So 6 y raised to 5 is there, but y raised to 4 is missing. Write coefficient 0 and y raised to 4. Minus 8y cube plus y square. Single y term is missing, so write 0y minus 8. After that only write the coefficient of the variable. म्हणजेच व्हेरिएबलच्या डावीकडे असणाऱ्या संख्या फक्त लिहायच्यात चिन्हासहित. म्हणजे उत्तर येईल 6, 0, -8 चिन्हासहित म्हणून -8. 1, 0 and the last one is -8. Practice set 3.1. Question 1. State whether the given algebraic expression are polynomials and justify your answer. म्हणजेच तुम्हाला जी उदाहरणं दिलेली आहेत, जे पॉलिनॉमियल जे अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन दिलेले आहेत ते पॉलिनॉमियल्स आहेत का नाही ते ओळखायचं आहे आणि आहेत तर का आहेत आणि नसतील तर का नाहीत हे लिहायचं आहे. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल y plus 1/y. Now if we observe here, the second term in this algebraic expression is 1/y. Here the power of y is negative, that is -1. But in polynomial the power of variable is always positive integer. धन संख्या हवी, घातांक, पॉवर हा धन हवा तरच तो पॉलिनॉमियल असतो. Therefore the given algebraic expression is not polynomial. Second, 2 minus 5 square root of 3 square root of x. 2 minus 5 square root of x. Now this given algebraic equation is also not polynomial because in second term 5 square root of x, here the power of x is 1/2, means 1/2 is not whole number. Therefore the given algebraic expression is not polynomial. Last one, x square plus 7x plus 9. If we observe the variable, the power of variable is positive integer, so the given expression, algebraic expression is polynomial. Question 2. Write the coefficient of m cube in each of polynomial. म्हणजेच खाली तुम्हाला जे पॉलिनॉमियल दिलेले असतील त्यातल्या फक्त m क्यूब ही जी टर्म येईल त्याचा कोइफिशियंट लिहायचा आहे. पहिलं आहे उदाहरण, फक्त m क्यूब दिला आहे. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, ओनली m क्यूब इज गिवन. वी हॅव टू राईट कोइफिशियंट ऑफ इट. कोइफिशियंट म्हणजे m क्यूबच्या डावीकडे येणारी संख्या. m क्यूबच्या डावीकडे संख्या दिसत नाही आहे म्हणजे तिथे 1 असतो. Therefore the coefficient of m cube is 1. Second, -3/2 plus m minus square root of 3 m cube. या उदाहरणात बघा m cube कुठे आहे ते पाहायचं आहे. पहिल्यांदा थर्ड टर्म m क्यूबची आहे. m क्यूबच्या डावीकडे कोणती संख्या दिली आहे ती चिन्हासहित लिहायची आहे. सो दॅट इज नोन ॲज अ कोइफिशियंट ऑफ m क्यूब. म्हणजे उत्तर आहे -√3 म्हणजेच -√3. Question number 3. Write the polynomial in x using the given information. म्हणजे दिलेली माहिती वापरून x व्हेरिएबल वापरून पॉलिनॉमियल तयार करा. पहिलं उदाहरण आहे मोनोमियल विथ डिग्री 7. म्हणजे ह्या उदाहरणामध्ये आपल्याला व्हेरिएबल x घ्यायचा आहे, त्याची डिग्री 7 घ्यायची आहे आणि मोनोमियल तयार करायचं आहे. मोनोमियल म्हणजे सिंगल पद तयार करायचं आहे, एकच पद. व्हेरिएबल फिक्स आपल्याला x घ्यायचा आहे. सो वी टेक x, त्याची डिग्री 7 घ्यायची आहे म्हणून x⁻7 आणि एकच पद तयार करायचं आहे. x⁻7च्या अलीकडे कोइफिशियंट काहीही लिहिला तरी चालेल. सो द आन्सर इज -6x⁻7 किंवा -6च्या ऐवजी तुम्ही 2/3 लिहिलं, 2/3 लिहिलं तरी चालेल. 2/3 x⁻7. दिस इज ऑल्सो मोनोमियल, सिंगल टर्म आहे, व्हेरिएबल x आहे, पॉवर पण 7 आहे, डिग्री 7 आहे. किंवा नुसता x⁻7 लिहिला तरी चालेल. दिस इज ऑल्सो मोनोमियल. with variable x and degree 7. Second, binomial with degree 35. आता आपल्याला व्हेरिएबल x घ्यायचा आहे, त्याची डिग्री 35च घ्यायची, 35, पण बायनॉमियल म्हणजे दोन टर्म्स तयार करायच्यात. पहिली अट आहे व्हेरिएबल x घ्या, तो आपण घेतला x, त्याची डिग्री 35 घेतली. दुसरी टर्म तुम्ही काहीही लिहू शकता, फक्त त्याची पॉवर 35पेक्षा कमी हवी. सो x⁻35 + 2x पहिलं आन्सर, किंवा 3x⁻35 - 1. यामधील कोइफिशियंट तुम्ही बदलू शकता. Question number 4. Write the degree of given polynomial. In this chart, left hand side the polynomials are given. First example, square root of 5, constant polynomial. So the degree of constant polynomial is always 0. So the degree of polynomial is 0, which is right on right hand side. Second example, x square. Maximum power of x is 2. Therefore, the degree of that polynomial is 2. In third example, 7y minus y cube plus y⁵. This polynomial in single variable, एकाच व्हेरिएबलमध्ये हे उदाहरण आहे. मॅक्झिमम पॉवर y ची 5 आहे, 5 आहे. सो द डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनॉमियल इज 5. फोर्थ एक्झाम्पल, m³ n⁻7 minus m⁵n plus mn. If we observe this example, this polynomial having two variables m and n, आपण पॉवरची ॲडिशन करायची. पहिल्या टर्ममध्ये mची 3 पॉवर आहे आणि nची 7. पहिल्या टर्ममध्ये बेरीज येणार 7 आणि 3 10. दुसऱ्या टर्ममध्ये m⁵ आणि n⁻1 आहे, त्याची 5 आणि 1 बेरीज आली 6. आणि तिसऱ्या टर्ममध्ये mची पॉवर 1, nची पॉवर 1, उत्तर आलं 2. आता मॅक्झिमम पॉवर आपल्याला 7 + 3 म्हणजे 10 दिसतीये. सो द डिग्री ऑफ दिस पॉलिनॉमियल इज 10. राईट द पॉलिनॉमियल इन स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म म्हणजे व्हेरिएबलच्या उतरत्या घातांकाने लिहायचा. म्हणजे मोठा पॉवर असणारा जो व्हेरिएबल आहे तो पहिला, मग नंतर पॉवर असणारा आणि मग नंतर पॉवर असणारा, असं लिहायचं आहे. एक्झाम्पल, m³ + 3 + 5m. त्याचं आन्सर पहिल्यांदा थर्ड पॉवर मोठी आहे म्हणून आधी लिहिलं m³, मग 5m आणि मग लास्ट कॉन्स्टंट. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल आपण मगाशी घेतलं होतं. राईट द पॉलिनॉमियल इन इंडेक्स फॉर्म. आता इंडेक्स फॉर्म वापरायचा आहे. व्हाईल रायटिंग द इंडेक्स फॉर्म यू कॅन यूज एनी व्हेरिएबल. कोणतंही व्हेरिएबल वापरून तुम्ही इंडेक्स फॉर्म लिहू शकता. Only coefficients are given. Coefficients are 1, 2, 3. These are the coefficient. You take any variable x, y, z, anything. To write this answer, index form तयार करण्यासाठी पहिल्यांदा मी कोइफिशियंट लिहिले 1, 2, 3 आणि उजवीकडून x⁻0, x⁻1 आणि x⁻2 इन्क्रीजिंग पॉवरने लिहिले व्हेरिएबल. पॉवर ऑफ द व्हेरिएबल इन्क्रीजिंगने लिहिली. म्हणजेच 3च्या खाली x⁻0 लिहिला, 0 नंतर 1 येतं म्हणून x⁻1 लिहिला आणि त्यानंतर x⁻2 लिहिला. आता जस्ट मल्टिप्लाय करायची वरची संख्या आणि व्हेरिएबल. सो द आन्सर इंडेक्स फॉर्म इज 1 × x² म्हणजे x² प्लस 2 × x 2x आणि प्लस ओनली 3, फक्त 3. दुसरं एक्झाम्पल, 5, 0, 0, 0, -1. मग आजच्यासारखं कोणतंही व्हेरिएबल घेऊ शकता. मी आधी हे सगळे कोइफिशियंट लिहिले. उजवीकडून y⁻0 पहिला लिहिला, y⁻1 लिहिला, नंतर y⁻2 लिहिला, y⁻³ लिहिला, y⁻4 लिहिला. आता फक्त वरच्या संख्येने मल्टिप्लाय म्हणजे 5 × y⁻4, 0 × y⁻³ प्लस 0 × y² प्लस 0 × y मायनस 1 × y⁻0. आता मधल्या 0ने जेव्हा आपण गुणाकार करतो तेव्हा गुणाकार 0 येतो, म्हणजे मधल्या 3ही टर्म्स निघून जाणार, त्याचं उत्तर 0 येणार. फक्त काय राहणार आहे, 5y⁻4 आणि मायनस 1 y raised to 0, y raised to 0 नाही लिहिला तरी चालतो. Therefore the answer 5 y raised to 4 minus 1.